Are you experiencing automatic transmission problems with your Chevy Avalanche? Stick around. 2002 through 2008 Chevy Avalanches are equipped with the 4L60E automatic transmission. The most common failure point on this particular automatic transmission is the loss of third gear and fourth gear. This is due to the 3/4 clutch failing prematurely. My name is Robert, and I'm the host and creator of the Southpaw Autoworks YouTube channel. My primary focus with the channel is automatic transmission repair. We cover things like transmission tools, rebuilding techniques, basic and advanced diagnostics, and you can even learn how your 4L60E operates. Just to be clear, right now you're watching a video that's posted on the 4L60E YouTube channel. You can watch the full-length 4L60E videos by heading over to Southpaw Autoworks on YouTube. Once again, my name is Robert, and I will see you over at Southpaw Autoworks.